Founded in 1997, IWG Group is China's leading adhesive production, sales, and service group. With 4 manufacturing sites located in Liaoxi, Chengdu, Huangdao, and Vietnam. These sites cover a total area of 200,000 square meters. IWG also has 3 innovation centers located in Guangzhou, Chengdu, and Singapore, with more than 40 R&D personnel. IWG has a technical service team of more than 70 people located in China, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Central Asia, Europe, and South America, providing timely professional and systematic application solutions to global customers. IWG Group built, owns, and operates Asia's first smart adhesive factory. Qingdao Huangdao Smart Integrated Factory covers an area of 60,000 square meters, with an annual capacity of 260,000 tons and an output value of 1.6 billion yuan. This new facility focuses on the production of new environmentally sound adhesive and water-based paint products, including PUR, EVA, PSA hot melt adhesives, water-based emulsions, and water-based products. IWG's products are manufactured for the furniture industry, paper printing and packaging industry, automotive, photovoltaic, and other specialized industries. IWG's water-based glue production mainly produces environment-friendly E0, E1 class modified amino resin adhesive, water-based styrene acrylic emulsion, water-based wood paint resin, water-based wood paint, and other products. The production line is highly automated, with the production capacity of 200,000 tons, which is the largest single water glue production facility in China. The polyurethane raw material production facility has a total of 3 production lines with an annual output of 10,000 tons. It is one of the most advanced polyurethane raw material production facilities in China. IWG has hot melt adhesive production facility, 5 PUR production lines, and 2 automatic cleaning lines, with a current annual capacity of 12,000 tons that will be increased to 24,000 tons in the near future. The existing 2 EVA production lines with an annual capacity of 16,000 tons will be increased to 32,000 tons in the near future. There are also 2 PSA production lines with an annual capacity of 8,000 tons that will also be increased to 16,000 tons in the future. Huangdao Smart Integrated Factory has the largest intelligent warehousing system in the industry with the storage capacity of 9,000 tons. The system can recognize batching, monitor and log the filling stations, the packaging, testing, palletizing, and location within the warehouse. The whole process is automatic, integrated, and intelligent. IWG Group provides technical services and solutions to many well-known enterprises including Opie, Sophia, Gerbong Home, IKEA, Federal Home, Chumei, Kafan, Kanoa, TND1, and Snow Beer, just to name a few. Intent on adhesive, IWG Group will continue to create value for global customers with leading research and development, products, manufacturing, supply, and services.